Well, hello there, sunshines. We just woke up. Did not get much sleep last night. We're gonna make bricks starting early today, so we just got done doing the Instagram live. We're about to head into my uncle's warehouse, pick up some supplies that we had shipped there, and head to the kitchen. Yeah, buddy. What's up, y'all? Here we are. Keto brick inventory in the house. Or raw ingredients, I should say. About to make some bricks. Get ready. Alright, y'all. Quick little update. We're in the kitchen right now. It's been kind of a rough start this morning. The AC was broken in the kitchen. I think I just have a bad luck with AC. I've had it bad in my truck forever. Finally got the van with AC, and now it goes out in the kitchen. What do I do? Anyways, let me show you some updates we got going on here. We are pre-mixing all of our dry ingredients. When we first get here, to make things a bit more streamlined, we have all of our molds on racks to kind of help them dry out faster. We have our cacao butter melting in the bins over here, and then we have a staging table for all of the molds to pour the batter into. We have our wonderful workforce, and she's bashful. What do you think, Crystal? Better setup? Better setup?
Yeah, way better setup.
And plus we got all of our Visqueen wraps, which makes things mucho easier to clean. So it's good. Let's make bricks. Alright, y'all, normally it's just me talking about keto meals, but check it out. Kayla over here is not keto, but she's gonna tell you what she's eating. What you got there, Kayla?
I got tomato basil chicken and green beans.
Ain't no carbs there. That's good. You're getting in the right direction. Alrighty, y'all, taking a little break from the bricks to eat my lunch. I've got 12 olives, 4 eggs, 2 sausages, and 2 tablespoons of Primal Kitchen mayo. So, yeah, buddy. Leaving the kitchen for just a little bit. They're grinding it out in there. I've got to run back to the warehouse and get some labels. My uncle printed up some labels. I'm also going to see if I got any more boxes and bins at Home Depot so we can pick up more of those. Here we go. Alright, just left my uncle's. He got us fixed up with labels. Look at that. Boom. Keto brick labels. Nutrition facts. That's what I'm talking about. By the way, probably not the next launch, but the launch after that, we're going to have custom packaging. It's looking super legit. I've got a designer I'm working with now. It's going to be awesome. But until then, we're doing these label stick-ons that my uncle's making me. So just bear with us until that's ready. The Home Depot did not have any more big totes. They let me down. I want to show you our new assembly line real quick because it's working really efficiently. We're knocking out bricks. This is going to easily be our most productive production run yet. So here we have, we'll just start at the end of the line. So we still have to put the labels on here, but I just picked those up. So we got the finished, or they're in the bags, heat seal, and then, whoop, there's a Starbucks cup. Y'all didn't see that. We got all of them in tin foil. Another line, that's where we put them in the tin foil. Here is where we're pouring our batches.
Very dirty over here.
Very dirty over here. And then there's our big mixing bowl. Lane, you wearing capris there? What's going on with that?
There's no AC, it's hot.
Mixing bowl. And then we have a staging area here where we let them come to room temp before we stick them in the freezer. We are killing the keto brick production run, y'all. This is definitely gonna be our biggest batch. We're knocking it out, and it's only 8 o'clock right now. Taking a break to eat some Teton waters and Dewey sausages. This is why I love sausages. They're easy, they're quick. I'm not even heating this up. I'm just eating it, scarfing it down, and getting back to work. So let's do that. All right, y'all, it is 9:30. We've been here since 8. So long day.
AM.
Corey, yeah, 8 a.m. Corey joined us. We got Crystal, we got Lane, we got Kayla, and we just beat our record for bricks. We had to bring out the big boxes. How many did we get today?
1,306.
1,306.
Heck yeah, baby.
Raise the roof. We got bricks on bricks on bricks. By the way, y'all, huge shout out to Max Havoc. Jeff, you gotta see shirts. He got Crystal's shirt too. It says Savage. So Thank you, brother.
Thank you so much.
Everybody's left, just Crystal and I here. We just got done eating our yogurts, about to head home and go to bed. And this was our most successful brick production run by far. Everybody got out of here in a decent time. We all had a good time, jammed out to music, got stuff done, had a good conversation. And I just want to say how blessed I am to be able to even make these bricks in the first place. Like, it goes, the business aspect is great. I love business. I love all of that. But it's so cool to look up and see, you know, my fiance working beside me, my cousin on my mom's side working beside me, my cousin on my dad's side working beside me, and then Kayla working with us. Like, I mean, how cool is that, you know? Like, at the end of the day, regardless of how the business does, like, I'm building something alongside my family, and we're adding value to this keto space, and I'm just very fortunate and blessed to have that, and blessed to have her by my side through it all. So, that said, we're gonna make more bricks tomorrow and more bricks on Wednesday, and we're gonna have that launch the next week. So get ready for lots of bricks. Tomorrow morning, we're actually gonna go look at a place that we might move to here in Little Rock, because we're trying to get closer to the kitchen. So that's what we're gonna do first thing. We're gonna try and squeeze in a workout there too. So the sooner we get to bed, the sooner we can wake up and do it all over again. So good night.